Good morning everybody. So we are doing the exercise 1.3. Yesterday we completed till question number 2. So today we will start question number 3. Am I right? Yes. Third question is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a is equal to? If you are multiplying any integer with minus a, then it is what? Minus a. That same number with the negative sign. Am I right here? Yeah. Now determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is, that means second question, look at that, minus 1 into minus 22. Minus 1 into minus 22. What it gives dear? Yes, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 22, 22. The same number. Am I right? Yes. Then third one, minus 1 into 37. Minus 1 into 37. So minus into plus is minus, 1 into 37 is 37. Am I right? Yes. Then fourth one, minus 1 into 0. So 0 into anything is what? 0. 0 into anything or anything into 0 is always 0. Are you getting there? Yes. Now come to the fourth question now. Fourth question is, starting from minus 1 into 5, write the various products showing some pattern to show that minus 1 into 5, right? You have to show that minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So minus 1 into 5 is what? Minus 5. So we are trying to get that minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Then keep this minus 1 as it is and then decrease by 1. Decrease by 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 4. Minus 1 into 3. Minus 3. Am I right here? Then minus 1 into 2. Minus 2. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 0. 0 into anything is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. So this is what we have to show. Now we show the pattern. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question then? Yeah. Question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. Find the product using suitable property. It is given. Find the product using suitable property. Question number 5. It's given. Exercise 1.3. Am I right? Question number 5. It's given that A part 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now tell me dear. Here minus 48 is a common integer. Okay. How many terms are there? There are 2 terms. Okay. This is one term. It's another term. So in these 2 terms, minus 48 is common. First we taken out. So minus 48 into, what is left out? 26 into 1, 26. Plus, already we taken out this minus 48. So 1. 1 into minus 36 is minus 36. Am I right here? Then again, minus 48 into 26 minus 36. 26 minus 36. So minus 48. Here one is a positive integer, another one is a negative integer. So subtract and give the greater number sign. So 36 minus 26 is 10. Greater number sign is minus. So minus into minus is plus. 48 into 10, 480. Are you getting there? Yes. This property is called as what? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then second, 8 into 53 into minus 125. Am I right here? So these can be written as 8 into minus 125 into 53. Which property? Commutative property. A into B can be written as B into A. That is commutative property of multiplication. Am I right? Now 8 into 125, 1000. Already I told you. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 25, 100. 8 into 125, 1000. Am I right here? So 8 into 125 is 1000. Plus into minus is minus 1000 into 53, which is equal to minus 53,000. Minus 53,000. Am I right? Yes. Now come to the third part now. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. See part. 15 into minus 25. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Yes. Now 25 into 4. 25 into 4 is 100. So easily we can multiply. So first you perform that one. So 15 into minus is plus. 25 into 4, 100 into 10. Minus 10, that is 15 minus is plus. 25 4s are 100. 100 into minus 10. Now again 15 into 100 into minus 10 is plus into minus is minus. 100 into 10 is 1000. Am I right? Again 15 into minus 1000, that is the product of a positive and negative is negative. So 15 into 1000 is 15,000, that is minus 15,000. Minus 15,000. Am I right here? Yes. Then after that D part. Minus 41 into 102. Minus 41 into 102. So these minus 41, 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now you can use distributive property of multiplication over addition. That is A into B plus C. A into B plus C can be written as A into B plus A into C. A into B can be written as A into B plus A into C. So minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So minus 41 into 100 minus 4100. 41 2s are 82. Minus 82. So minus 4100 minus 82 minus 4182. Minus 4182. Am I right here? Yes. So we move to the next one. Yeah. Look at the E part now. It is given that 625, it is question number 3, am I right? 3 or 4? 5. Question number 5, subdivision E. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Now take 625 common outside. 625. In these two terms 625 is common. Just to take 625 common outside. Otherwise what you can do, here plus into minus is minus. So minus 625 into 35 you can write plus minus 625 into 65. Now in these two terms minus 625 is common. Am I right? So take minus 625 common outside. So minus 625 into what is left out in the first term? 35. In the second term what is left out? 65 is left out. So minus 625 into 35 into 65 is how much dear? 100. So minus 625 into 100 minus 62,500. Minus 62,500. Am I right? Yes. Now after that F. That is 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 2. It is in the form of A into B minus C. So A into B minus C means what? A into B minus A into C. That is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Am I right? So 7 into 50 minus 2 can be written as 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. So 7 into 50 is 350. 7 2s are 14. 50 minus 14 is 36. Then it will be 336. It will be 336. Am I right? Yes. Then two more questions are there. Minus 17 into minus 29. Minus 17 into minus 29. G part. Minus 17 into minus 29. Minus 17 into minus 29. Yes, tell me dear. So minus 29, first you express minus into minus is plus. Okay. First you write down like, otherwise minus 17. This minus 29 can be written as, yes, minus 30 plus 1 we can. Right, minus 30 plus 1. Minus 30 plus 1 is what? Minus 29. Now it is in the form of a into b plus c, that is a into b plus a into c, that is minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. Minus 17 into 1. So minus into minus is plus, 17 into 3. 10 3s are 30, 7 3s are 21, 30 plus 21, 51. So 510 plus minus 17. So it's a positive integer, another one is a negative integer. So subtract 510 minus 17, that is 10 minus 7 is 7. 7, here it is 4, then it will be 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, 487. Sorry, 10 minus 7 is 3, 483. Am I right dear? Yes, 483. 483, 494. What is the product is 510. Am I right? 510 minus 17. 510 minus 17. 510 minus 17. It's 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 493. 493. Am I right dear? Now you please just you try the next question by your own. That is just I will write only the question. That is H part. It's given that minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Am I right? You can consider as one. Okay, otherwise we will do. Listen. Take minus into minus is plus, you can write. So 57 into 19 plus 57 into 1. Take 57 commoners outside into 19 plus 1. That is 57 into 19 plus 1 is 20. Just you multiply 0, 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1140. 1140. Am I right dear? Yes. So till this enough today, and then tomorrow we will continue the rest of the questions. Thank you everybody. Thank you.